Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Today I'm going to share with you all the approach that I take to pull bold tattoo lines. Should you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. For me, when I'm pulling lines with a bolder needle, I like to hold my machine at a 90-degree angle so that way the entire needle point is pretty much flat on the surface that I am tattooing, and this allows me to really get the most out of that needle. So for example, I'm using a TNT 18 round shader right here. I'm holding my machine to the canvas at hand at a 90-degree angle as best I can. Keep in mind it is more of a curved surface, so I'm keeping it 90 degrees to the surface at hand, as you can see. And the end result, I do get one nice, clean, steady, consistent line each and every time I pull it this way. So you see, when I combined the correct angle with the correct hand positioning, with the correct motions, hand speed, voltage, needle depth, when all of that is aligned, I'm able to pull nice, clean, steady, consistent lines, whether it's a thin line or bold line right here, as you see me doing. However, when it's a thinner line, variables do change. As you see, I'm still keeping it to the best of a 90 as I can. Should you have any questions about anything that you see throughout this video, drop them down below and I will assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias all under the same name as my YouTube channel. I will appreciate the support on there as well. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.